Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy Moomoo stock. First, you need to set up a Moomoo account. Begin by downloading the Moomoo app from the App Store or Google Play Store. After installing the app, open it and select the option to create a new account. You will need to enter your email address, create a password, and provide some personal information for verification purposes. Make sure to complete any required identity verification steps, as this is crucial for trading. Once your account is verified and set up, you will need to fund it. Tap on the deposit option within the app. You can choose to transfer funds from your bank account or other supported payment methods. Ensure that the funds are successfully transferred before proceeding. Depending on your bank, the transfer may take some time, so it is wise to plan ahead. With your account funded, you can search for Moomoo stock. In the app, use the search bar to enter the stock symbol for Moomoo. Once you locate the stock, click on it to view more details. Here you will find important information about the stock's performance, charts, and other financial data to help you make an informed decision about your purchase. Finally, to buy the stock, click on the Trade button. You will have options for the number of shares you want to buy and the type of order you prefer, such as a market order or a limit order. After filling in the details and reviewing your order, confirm your purchase. Congratulations, you have successfully bought Moomoo stock. Remember to monitor your investment regularly and stay updated on market trends.